Okay, this video is going to show a little demonstration on the MPG hand wheel on the Fanuc 0i-MF. There you get a good look at the hand wheel itself. You can see the X, Y, and Z, and also a fourth axis if you had one of those. And there are 3 different feed rates. We're going to show you the use of this real quick, and also you'll be able to see up on the screen the different clicks on the Z, and you can also see the feed rate on the machine. Why don't you go ahead, Ron? What do you got? This is going to be the fastest right here, which gets you going. This one gets you going 10 thousandths per click on the hand wheel. Why don't you speed it up just with your hand? And you can see the feed rate, your 100 inch per minute or whatever, and you can see how fast he's turning. Now we're at a slower one. So you can mess around with this and get as fast or slow as you want. Alright, now we're going to show just the push buttons on the control, doing basically the same thing. Go ahead, Ron. And now you're switching to the push button there. That's the Z axis. You're going up at about 1.5 inches per minute. And you can adjust that with the override button there. So you can see the feed per inch per minute. You can get it as slow or as fast as you want. And that's kind of the way to manually use the machine for cutting or positioning. This is on the Fagor, checking out being able to use it manually with the MPG, which is kind of permanently mounted on the side of the control, or also with the push buttons on the control screen. Now we're going to show the operation of that hand wheel. And then if we can change the rate. And again on this, you can see right there, the Z-axis moving, and that's the feed rate. So you can get as fast or slow as you want. And now we're going to switch over to do it with the push buttons. Why don't you do that again? Yeah, that's the override for the feed rate. So again, you can get it going really as fast or as slow as you want.